BarryTiger. Subscribe!
The water truck is broken. Meow. Can you make me look nicer, please?
All done. Take a look.
Meow. This is so ugly.
But that's not my fault. Look, the flowers are all withered. The photos can't look nice.
Oh gosh, these flowers need water. We need to get the water truck.
It's Grandpa Grove. He's down. No wonder the flowers withered.
Meow. I think that we need to call that guy up. Hello? This is Barry's repair station. Super Mechanic Barry, Grandpa Grove is down. Huh? Oh no! I'll send a tow truck to fetch him. Oh my goodness! This is an emergency! Dear friends, let's hurry and repair the water truck. We'll check the engine compartment first. Oh, the battery's dead! No wonder Grandpa Grove is down. Now, let's charge the battery of the water truck. The battery's charged.
Huh? Who am I? Where am I?
Don't worry, Grandpa Grove. This is Barry's repair station. Your battery had died. That's why you passed out.
What? A house is down?
Grandpa Grove seems to have a hard time hearing. Grandpa Grove, please check to see if you're working okay.
Oh, let me see. Water truck in action! Huh? There's no water! There's no water going out!
Huh? How could that be? We better check with a scanner. Uh-oh! The water tank is empty. We'll vacuum the trash away first. Then, let's clean the lime scale. Lastly, we'll add clean water to the tank. Huh? Oh, goodness! Which one is the water?
That was the wrong button! What you chose was bubble tea!
I got it wrong. All done!
Ho-ho!
The repair is done. Dear friends, thank you.
It's time for me to go to work now!
Grandpa Grove, go, go!
What? Did you just call me a bull? The water truck is in action! I am the best water truck there